In the next part of regular expression, practical case, what we are doing is character sets and ranges. So same place only, same use case only, username, check stat to show the status, whether it is error messages or whatever it is. So button, on click, check username, check data, coming to this, and check username is a function. So we are getting the user ID. Now, what is regular expression? So in the previous example, we have used checking for SIT, small letter or capital letter. Now, regex is equal to, what is that we want to do is, I want to check for something. See, for example, SIMPLE. What is the meaning of that? Regex, this particular regex is equal to simple. So it will search for the data simple. If simple is available in the UID, it will return true. So for that purpose, SIMPLE. No, this is part 1. So just run this program, open with the live server. So character sets and ranges. So simple. Check data, it is valid. So some after that any characters, it's valid. Before that any characters, it is valid. But in the place of S, if I want to have D, invalid. Dimple. So IMPLE is okay. But before that it can be dimple, or it can be simple, or it can be pimple. So SPD. SPD start with, it can be anything. So some character sets. So for that purpose, what I do is I'll go for this caret symbol. So if you want to check this in your website, so for example, what is that site? regex101.com. To check the regular expression, we come to this. So what is our requirement? We want to check the username, the character set. The first character can be S or D or P followed by IMPLE. Read that. The first character can be S or D or P followed by IMPLE. So what is that we have to do? So if you say simple, matching. So it's matching. One match is coming, full match. But if it is having before also same thing, one match is there. But in the place of this, if I provide D, matching, no. So we want to apply that. So now IMPLE as it is, but it should have either S or D or P. Now what is coming? Dimple, matching. So the first character can be, I mean this, in a word, the first character can be S or D or P. So dimple, it is working, match 1. I'll say imple, EIMPLE, no match. SIMPLE, yes, it is matching. P, matching. Anywhere in the string. So simple, matching. AIMPLE, no match. So this is what a character set. So what is the condition? SDP means SDP matches a single character in the list. SDP, case sensitive. If you want to make it as case insensitive, what is that we have to do? So suppose if I say this S, I'll give it as capital letter. No, sorry, not that. This A in the place of that. Yes, small letter, matching. Yes, capital letter, is it matching? No match. So if you want to make it as case sensitive, what is that we have to do? Slash I. Global I also. Simple. Yes is given as capital letter. So still it is matching. So match SDP. SDP matches a single character in the list. SDP, case insensitive. Case insensitive. SDP. It can be capital also. So what is our use case? So to the first character can be S or D or P followed by IMPLE. That's what the use case. For that purpose, we are applying it like this. SD, SDP. Now coming to this program. So or for example, S only. Practically we will see. If you provide, run this, open with the live server, regex2. Where is that? Live title, regex2. Save this, regex2. So I'll say simple, valid. If I say dimple, no, dimple, not valid. Pimple, not valid. So it can be any of that. So for that purpose, what I do is you give this one inside square braces a word starts with the S, D or P, a word, the first character. So this is to represent the first character. The first character can be S or D or P, IMPLE, followed by IMPLE. Now you say pimple, valid. You say simple, valid. You'll say dimple, valid. If you say AIMPLE, invalid. XIMPLE, invalid. After this, you can have anything. The simple. Before this, you can have anything. So if it is capital letter, no. The next character, capital letter, invalid. So if you want to consider that, what is that you have to provide? You have to provide the option. So the option we are providing is we'll provide it with the I, case insensitive. Now it will return it as valid. So start with any character. Now the same way the first character can be now A to P if you want to apply. SDP we have applied. This is okay. So my next case is the first character should be A to P. It can be AIMPLE, BIMPLE, CIMPLE up to P. QIMPLE should not be allowed. So a range can be given. So for providing that range, reg EX is equal to regular expression A to P, square braces, A to P, IMPLE, case sensitive, insensitive. I means case insensitive. A reg EX is equal to, in square braces, A to P, IMPLE. Now you see this, valid, P, valid, capital A, valid, capital C, valid, capital X, not valid, invalid, because allowing the characters A to P, IMPLE. This is another case. The first character can be A to P followed by IMPLE. The first character can be 0 to 5 followed by ABC anywhere in string, 0 to 5 ABC. Multiple characters also we are able to apply. So let regular expression 1 to 5. So what is the meaning of this? Any digit from 1 to 5 in the first character, second character should be A, the third character can be 6 to 9, and the fourth character can be B anywhere. So a number format like this. This is how we provide the regular expression, character set and ranges.